Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Rengso Marza and today's video is a different one from my other videos. It is more of a informative video. Yes, so today we are going to talk about a common problem that every new YouTuber faces. So this video is particularly for those of you who are into making videos, especially for those who are newly into it, and also for those who have this keen interest of making videos for YouTube and have the plan of doing so in the future. So this will be very useful. Please don't skip, please watch till the end, and those who are not into making videos can skip this video, but you can still check out my other videos. There are many other videos that you have not checked. Today we are going to discuss how to use this music in our videos without any problem. There are many who face this common problem of using music in the video. So we will discuss on three main topics. First of all is the copyright strike, second copyright claim, and the third is no copyright music. This is a solution for our problem. So first of all, talking about copyright strike, yes, it is very natural that if the credits of our hard work is taken by someone else, we wouldn't be very happy with that. Yes. So likewise, when we use music of other artists or creators without proper permission, then they may claim the music by giving a copyright strike. And the very bad thing about copyright strike is that our YouTube channel also can be taken down with 3 copyright strikes. So we must be very careful when we choose music for our video. So next, talking about copyright claim, there are many big artists and companies that allow us to use their music in our videos, but keeping in mind that the revenue earned by the particular video would be fully or partially taken by the artist or the company. So if you are serious about earning something from the videos in the future, then please think twice before you use the music, because there are also other options. So the last point and the very important point of today's topic is the no copyright free music. There are many artists and creators who give their music for free to use in our videos. There are also many channels, big channels that gives access to a lot of free music that we can use in our videos. I will also put some of my favorite channels link in the description. You can check out the description and you can use those videos without any fear for any problem in our future. Yes, so I think you have understood something of copyright strike, copyright claim, and this no copyright music. This is all about today's topic, and if you think it was useful, please do comment below, and also please tell me which or what topic should I cover next. And I am planning to make this type of informative video every Sunday, and if you think it is useful, please don't forget to tell me so that I may continue making this type of videos every Sunday for many who may need this type of little informations. Yes, so once again, thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, please why don't you subscribe and keep supporting. So once again, thank you.